Now, as an example, let us take these two circles. The first circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25, and the second circle is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 1. You are asked to find the common tangents to these two circles. So first, let us find the parameters which are required to find the common tangents. So what is the first center? 0, 0, and the second center is 6, 8. Now what is the first radius? 5. The second radius is 1. Now, to find the point P and P dash. So first, if you want P, you need to consider the internal division in the ratio 5:1. So 5 into 6, 30 plus 0 by 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 into 8, 40 plus 0 by 5 plus 1 is 6. This is the point which divides C1, C2 internally in the ratio 5:1. Next, if you want P dash, you need to consider external ratio. 5 into 6, so 30 minus 0 by 5 minus 1, 40 minus 0 by 5 minus 1. So P is the point 5, 20 by 3, and P dash is the point 15 by 2, 10. So once you have P and P dash, what is the next step? So the second step is to take individual point and find the pair of tangents to any of the circle. So you can choose the easier of these two. So I'll choose this circle. So from this point, the pair of tangents that you draw to this circle will be the transverse common tangents. If you want the pair of tangents, you can directly use SS1 is equal to T square. That is x square plus y square minus 25 times S1, direct substitution, 25 plus 400 by 9 minus 25 is equal to T square. What is T correspond to this? 5x plus 20 by 3y minus 25 whole square. So these will be the pair of transverse common tangents. If you want the pair of direct common tangents, you need to use this point. There is x square plus y square minus 25 times 225 by 4 plus 100 minus 25 is equal to 15x by 2 plus 10y minus 25 whole square. So these represent the pair of direct common tangents. As simple as that. Thank you.